So can you give us some tips that you would give to anyone that is interested in locum tenens work?
Yeah, I mean, it's when I think of our clients, a lot of them are W-2 employees at a hospital, and they do moonlighting, which is the 1099 work that is additional, and it's not guaranteed, and it's variable, but it's 1099. And essentially, when you're 1099, you're your own business, and that creates opportunities for future or bigger savings for retirement. For example, if you're working at a hospital, you can save into their 403b plan or their 401k, whatever they have there. Sometimes they have a 457 plan as well. You can kind of double dip and put more in. But then if you are your own employer as a 1099, you might be able to create a SEP IRA, which allows you to save more money, get more tax deductions, save on taxes today, and put more towards the future. And so that gives you another angle in because you have this different type of income. Of course, it will be taxed differently, and you'll have to worry about paying tax estimates because it doesn't automatically come out of your paycheck. A lot of people get stuck with big tax bills because they don't do that first off. But there's a lot of cool ways to support yourself because you have this different way of making money.
Yeah, it's a great way to increase your savings for the future. I think a lot of our clients who do that, they take the 1099 money and just set it aside completely and save it, invest it. They're not accounting for it. I think that's a temptation you have to avoid on the planning side is when you are starting to make that extra money on the side, not starting to budget based on that money because it's not guaranteed. It is variable. It's not your core job. To your point about financial freedom, it's a great way to kind of accelerate your progress toward that. You just have to be careful not to start thinking like, oh, well, that's money I could use to my home renovation because that kind of, defeats the purpose if that's what your goal is.